Welcome to WNC pressure washing. Today we're going to pressure wash some concrete here. Oh, as you can see, we got all the mold and mildew off the concrete. If you'd like to get these results with your concrete, give WNC pressure washing a call, 828-331-8118. Thank you. Okay, welcome back. This is Chris with WNC pressure washing. So we got the concrete clean here. You can see that it's a nice bright color. Got rid of all the dark, dingy grime and dirt and mold. Now it looks beautiful again. If you want your concrete sidewalk or patio to look this beautiful, call WNC pressure washing at 828-331-8118 or visit our website wncpressurewashing.com.